Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Instagram account in just a few simple steps. You're ready to say goodbye to Instagram? Make sure to watch till the end. Open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your profile picture at the bottom right. In your profile section, tap the three lines menu at the top right. Select Account Center from the menu. Inside Account Center, look for Personal Details and tap on it. Next, tap Account Ownership and Control. Select Deactivation or Deletion. If you have multiple profiles, select the correct Instagram account you want to delete. By default, Instagram suggests deactivating your account, which is temporary. If you want a permanent delete, select Delete Account instead. Reminder: deleting your Instagram account will permanently remove your profile, photos, videos, comments, likes, and followers. Tap Continue and review the details. If you have a Threads account linked, it will also be deleted. Select a reason for deleting your account. You can choose something else. Enter your Instagram password to confirm. Instagram won't delete your account immediately. You'll see a final deletion date. It takes about 30 days before it's fully removed from Instagram servers. Until that date, your account is hidden, but you can still cancel deletion if you change your mind. Once the date passes, your account is gone forever. That's it, Rocket. I hope this tutorial helped you. If you found this video useful, make sure to like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. See you in the next one.